I'm back! Hello darlings, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video we'll be doing, probably the only video I actually upload these days, is a Glossybox unboxing. Yay! So let's skip and get into it. So, on today's video, we will be unboxing this month's Glossybox, you know, because it's a month, which means it's time for me to do a video once a month. Why not? But before we go any further, I just want to give a shout out and a thank you to my darling mother, because I visited her yesterday in a COVID-friendly setting. Do not even bother trying to come for me in the comment section. Not anyone ever comments anyway. And she did gift me an early Christmas present. Oh girl, I've been at work all day. Birthday present, and it is one of the Revolution Pro. This is the Regeneration Astrological Palette, and when I first looked at it I was kind of I didn't know really what I was going to do with these kind of shades, but do you know what, some of them are really cute and they're going to make like a great look for the inner eye. I'm feeling it. And the other one is the I Heart Revolution chocolate one. This one's like proper creamy. I think I'm going to struggle to use this one, but I still love it for my shelf because everything is pink. So let's jump right in. This month's Glossybox unboxing. So the Glossybox is a subscription-based service. It is approximately around about £11 a month, and you receive 5 products of over £60 in value or more in your box for the price of £11. Bargain. So you receive in the post this gorgeous little box. Oh, there's my address. And you get this little pink number inside. When you remove the pink number, you get a load of crap. No one ever needs that. Oh, and another one. And you get this. So when you open her up, you do have, I explain to every single video that I do this, the sleeve for the theme, which is, I think, spring. So this is, oh, dropped it, spring. And inside that, it tells you the price of the products you receive. So when you open her up, you have this little like paper moment. There is a bow, but apparently we're not using that these days. And you rip her open and you pull out products. I'm not going to show you because it'll ruin it. I've not seen it myself. I've not teased. I've not looked on the website. I'm just going to put my hand in, pull them out and show you at the same time as me. So, the first product we have is this Sophia and Mabel eyeshadow quad. It's absolutely tiny. So this retails for £25. £25 for this. This better be bougie the house. So you have this really cheap Primark looking Sophia and Mabel quad eyeshadow palette, which I ain't gonna lie to you girls, I'll probably never use this. It's like this little like lilac-y, pinky shades of a black one. I'm not sure where they're going with this. Are you supposed to do some kind of eye look? I don't know. I might feature it on my Instagram stories to go and follow me, and I might give this a go and like do a mini review. But I'm just gonna pull out the shade. It's super creamy, really not very pigmented, to be honest. I'm really pushing my fingers into it to show you all of the shades. They're the 4 shades. They like absolutely clap the house. And then just to like proper like swatch them, there you go. The black is there. It's more like a brownie black, very clumpy. Can you see the clumps in there? Not really, but they're there. And then these are like highlights, and this pink one. I'm never going to use this, that's the tea. I think the packaging is real cute though, but this is like something you get for a Christmas cracker. Anyway, the next product, this looks like very skincare-y. The next product is this antioxidant feel-free eye contour cream. So this retails for £4.77. I do not know what an eye contour cream is, so I will tell you as well in case you're not sure. So this is hydrating under the eyes, essential. Look at these bags, they have been cute, powdered out, so you know, there's not true to what they look like normally, but they look like shit. So this hydrates under the eyes whilst also eliminating small lines around the eyes. This antioxidant eye contour cream is a dream. A combination of hard-working skincare ingredients including hydrochloric acid, aloe vera, lemon, mint and more. Also helps balance skin tone and brighten your delicate under eye area. Ooh, now that's a claim. Should we give this a little whirl? Should we see what it feels like? I'm not going to put it on because I've got makeup on. So it's the tiniest bottle. I'm squeezing it so hard. Look how much little product you get in there. 477, still squeezing, still no product, still squeezing. Oh, you know what that reminds you of, don't you? One thing comes to my mind. So in this bottle, you get absolutely nothing in there. It's basically all air, it's basically empty. It's got this very minty, lemony, fresh smell. It is really watery actually. It feels really nice on the skin, to be fair. To be fair, it does feel amazing. Under the eyes, I'm not sure, because obviously we did it on my hand. Anyway, border that one out. The next product is another cream. I'm not filling this GLOSSYBOX so far, I cannot lie to you. So this is the DWD Paris Blush, which was made in Paris, I'd assume. This typically retails for $19.58, apparently, £20 for this rip-off. This is a liquid blusher. It's formulated with 99% natural and totally vegan ingredients. The blush is the ideal product to enhance your cheek. Perfect for bringing a glowy touch to casual makeup or a sophisticated touch to your evening look. So let's open her up and see what she shades like. So you have this really nice, cute little applicator. I think that's quite sweet. And you can already see there, like little dobs come out. It's very thick, actually. I didn't expect it to be that thick. It looks like a crayon. I'm just gonna put that over here on my hand and we'll smudge it out. I think you probably need like the tiniest little bit. So I'm just gonna smudge it with my finger. And when you rub it out, it is, oh, it's creamy. It's got a really nice smell to it, actually. Is it my favorite? No. It looks like a bruise or like a bit of a skid mark, but it might be nice on the face. Shall we try it? Let's try it. So I'm gonna go in with this Morphe M556 brush. I'm gonna put the tiniest little dob. This is only for you girls, so enjoy this. The tiniest little dob like that on the end of my brush. And then we are just gonna dot her on the face and then see how she blends. Oh Lord. It's definitely blending out. It feels very creamy. Is it cute? No. Does it look like I've wiped pig's blood on my face? Yes. Do I love it? No. Do I hate it? Yes. Will I use it? No. There is one liquid blush I really want to use actually, and it is the Mama Mitchell one, the blush. I don't know. It's cute. It definitely blends out. It's gradually glowing. It's kind of giving like a bit of like a contour to the face, but it's not like insane. But it's kind of, and now it stopped blending. It might blend better with like a wet beauty blender, but with a blush, it ain't the one. So moving on now, I've got this bruise on my face. Let's get the next product out. And the next product is really big actually. Oh, this is cute. So this is the Serenity Legend Hydrating Dead Sea Bath Salt. This is vegan. It's quite bougie actually. So this typically retails for, what size is this? I think this is like 100 grams. Yeah, 100 grams. So this typically retails, for £2.17, so it's not really that bougie for this sachet. I think you probably get like one, maybe two baths out of this. So this is enriched with unique healing minerals. These hydrating dead sea bath salts are all you need for a perfectly pampering bath, providing the ultimate spa experience. After just one use, your skin will be left feeling refreshed, soft and smooth. These salts also help enhance your skin's ability to retain moisture and assist in the renewal of skin cells, which minimizes the inevitable signs of aging. Cute. Never really been interested in bath salts, but it's something we can definitely try. I will not be recording that, so do not get your hopes up. And the last product is incredibly anticlimactic and incredibly boring, so this is going to be an absolute flop, this video, I can tell already. So this is the Skin & Co Roma Truffle Therapy Morning Dew. This is £1.98 in value, but if you buy the full size bottle, then it is $18.29. Obviously, I would imagine they must be on some kind of budget cuts this month because this is a crap GLOSSYBOX. But this is basically a Truffle Therapy Morning Dew Gel. I don't know what you do with it, to be honest. Oh, it's a face cleansing gel. Okay, so this is like something you probably get in like bloody like a hotel, like a freebie. It's that small, but when you open up, you get this little applicator. Again, nice little like runny consistency. Let's pop her up here on the arm. So when you rub this little liquid gel in, it's quite nice. It smells like nothing. It's a bit like a soapy smell, nothing to blow your mind. And it's apparently a cleanser. It's nice. It's not blowing my mind. So basically that's this video because it was so disappointing. And I was so excited. It got me through my shift today at work. So I thought, oh my God, I cannot wait to open my GLOSSYBOX. I'm gonna get something fun, but instead, I got a Christmas Cracker eyeshadow palette, £1.98 bath salts, and a shitty eye exfoliating cream which looks crap and it's half empty. What am I paying for? Literally, I think this has probably added up to, what, £5.25 This is a load of bollocks. 50, 52, 54 pounds, and I paid 11 pounds. But really, I've not saved any money because I never would have bought any of these products, like ever. But the one thing I do like about it is you discover these new brands, but none of these brands are the ones. The only brand I've really like gone to and actually bought from is Bubble Tea, and that's through Glossybox, and I love that. But this is basically shit. So that's the end of this video. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Sorry for wasting 10 minutes of your life. I'm planning on actually doing like a proper like makeup, like actually doing my makeup kind of video soon. So yeah, please subscribe, please follow me on Instagram and TikTok on the corners. I will see you later. Ciao bella, bye bye, love you, moi.